Hi there, this is George Kosh, and I'm the CEO of Worldprofit. I'm proud to present you the Worldprofit AI Photo Booth. You've seen these online. They charge a lot of money. This is part of your Platinum VIP package. It is included. And hey, if you're watching this as a Silver member, you can easily upgrade. Just contact support or look on your left menu and it says Renew or Upgrade. You'll see a button there and do it. You'll get this included. This is fantastic because look at all the stuff we can do. I'm going to go take photo. Got my camera coming up here. Little smile. There we are. So you can see there's the past, and look at what I can do here. I can get myself in a light colored suit looking directly at the camera. Now, check this out. It's already added all of this in here. You can add or remove stuff if you want, and you can, go to it and just come up with something, change the background. Phenomenal. Check this out. Let's see what we generate here. And there we go. So you can see right here that we can edit the image if I want. Looks a lot different than this. This one is kind of, I've got a bright light here, of course. It's taking care of all of that. And look at this, skin tones, everything, the suit, everything looks absolutely natural. You can try a different prompt, or you can edit the image, you can crop the image. Look at all these capabilities we have. We can change brightness and color. You can even download this, and then guess what? You could go to the image enhancer, which is another Platinum VIP software that we offer. Okay, so you can download the image easily. And again, as a reminder, once you've downloaded the image, go over to website management and go into the image and ebook hosting. And you can host that image and send it to people. You can use it over and over again. You'll get a URL for it, and it's in the cloud, so it's hosted forever. If you have any questions about this, and again, contact support and we'll help you as best we can. But enjoy. This is probably one of our coolest, again, just one of our neatest programs that we have. It's just awesome for social media and everything. Okay, thank you.